Hello everyone, I'm Hilary Chin. Today I want to show you how to link your Kobotoolbox with Google Sheets. It's very important for you to take note. Here, the secret is getting your API correctly. Once you have your API correctly, it makes that work easy for you. And please go at the top of my head there and click that video where I teach how to link your Kobotoolbox with your Power BI Advanced. Let's jump in.
So to connect your form to Google Sheet, you need to find the API. So let's go. So right here, I'm going to come here, go to my data, and then go down to, first of all, go to setting, go to sharing, and then make sure that these two options are clicked. Once they are clicked, you go back to your data, go here to download, go to this advanced option, make sure you select single and separated columns, make sure you come here save as dashboard, and then here I'll prefer to also choose this here. The reason we are doing this is because we want to be able to quickly pick this form amongst many other forms or amongst many other APIs. Okay, and then make sure you choose XLS, which is Excel. I also choose label here, and then I want to select all my questions, and then here I'm going to come here and click export. Once I click export, it brings the data down here, downloaded down here. I see it here. Make sure that my questions are selected. I come up here and I click this link up here, and I copy from here right up to the HTTPS, open a different browser, paste it there, and then I write API with small letter /v2/assets. Make sure your asset has /, then I'll delete that. Come now to this form where we are, click this URL because it is unique to this particular form. I'll select that and I copy, Ctrl C, come here and I paste the URL there, /export/settings and /. So take note of this code here, and remember that this URL is unique to this form. If you want to use another form, you copy that specific URL from that form, which is already given here each time you open the form here. Okay, you can already see that the word form is printed here to show that I am in the form. Okay, and then once this is done here, we come down and we press enter. It brings us to this API. If I click here, Ctrl F, this small option appears here, and then I start writing dashboard. You see that it goes and pick this API specific form. Okay, so that's the reason for that. Now I'll just come here straight away. We have three links here. We have the first one stored in SCV, the other one stored in Excel. So now I want you to also take note that this same link that we have generated here can also go for Google Sheet. Okay, but now we are going to be using the SCV format. Okay, so I'll right click there, click that SCV file, come here, and then I say that sheet.new. It opens up a Google Sheet. So here now I can just easily just come here and then click on the first small cell there, click equals to, import data. Okay, so I'll just say import data and I click my tab there. Sorry, what's happening here? I'll start it all over again. Import data, click my tab there, and then I open my quotations, Ctrl V, I paste that particular URL, I open my quotations, I click comma, and then I open quotations again, then I put semicolons, close the quotation, and then I put my bracket, and then I click enter, and then it loads the form in here, and then it says warning, some formulas are trying to send and receive data from external parties, allow access. I'll just allow access. Now this one thing I love Google. Okay, they are really amazing. I love Gmail because they are amazing in terms of securing their system. You see, so my data has been brought into my Google Sheet.